Hey, designers! Let's quickly learn how to create a flicker effect in Premiere Pro. Start by having your video ready in Premiere Pro. Next, create a new adjustment layer. Right-click in the project panel, select New Item, and choose Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline and adjust its duration. If you want the effect to last for a short time, you can crop the layer accordingly. Now, select the adjustment layer and open the Effects panel. You can find it by going to Window Effects, or simply press Shift+7 on your keyboard. In the Effects panel, search for Strobe Light. Drag and drop the Strobe Light effect onto the adjustment layer. Once applied, decrease the strobe duration and strobe period settings. The strobe duration controls how long the flicker stays visible, and the strobe period adjusts the time between each flicker. If the flicker effect feels too strong or the white flash is too intense, increase the blend with original percentage in the effect settings. This will soften the flicker and make it blend better with your video. And there you have it, a smooth flicker effect for your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs.